Max and Mia sprang out of their chairs, bursting with excitement. Today was math class, and their teacher, Mrs. Patel, promised a day filled with adventures in numbers and shapes. Max, a boy with tousled hair and sparkling eyes, was first to speak. "I love math, Mia. It's like a puzzle waiting to be solved." Mia, with her braided hair and infectious smile, nodded in agreement, and puzzles are the best. Mrs. Patel clapped her hands to get the class's attention. "Good morning, everyone. Today, we're going to explore how math is everywhere around us. Ready?" The class cheered in unison. The first activity involved counting colorful blocks. "Let's see who can count the fastest," Mrs. Patel challenged. Max meticulously lined up his blocks, counting each one carefully. Mia, on the other hand, grouped her blocks by color, counting each group quickly. "Great job, everyone," said Mrs. Patel. "Max and Mia, you both did wonderfully in different ways." Next up was sorting shapes. Mrs. Patel poured a bag of various shapes onto the table. "Can you sort these by color and shape?" Max picked up a red triangle and a blue square, thinking hard. Mia started sorting with a system in mind, first separating colors and then shapes. They soon discovered they could finish faster if they worked together. "Math is teamwork," Max grinned. It was then time for some interactive games. The children gathered around a large tablet screen. "Who's ready for a math race?" Mrs. Patel asked. The game involved solving simple math problems to move their characters forward on the screen. Max and Mia quickly found themselves neck and neck, solving addition and subtraction problems in record time. "This is so much fun," Mia exclaimed as her character took the lead. The last activity involved everyday math. "How can math help us in real life?" Mrs. Patel asked. The children enthusiastically shared their ideas. Max suggested, "We use math when we cook, like measuring ingredients." Mia added, "Or when we shop and need to count money or find out if something is on sale." The class buzzed with examples. Mrs. Patel beamed. "Exactly. Math is all around us." As the class came to an end, Mrs. Patel praised everyone for their efforts. Remember, math is not just about numbers. It's about discovering and understanding the world. Great job today, class. Max and Mia high-fived each other, their smiles ear to ear. They couldn't wait for the next math adventure. As they left the classroom, Max turned to Mia. "You know, math really is like a big, fun game." Mia laughed, "And we're getting better at playing it every day."